Hey, you awake?
No.
Come to California with me.
What?
I want you to come to California with me.
How do you know that?
Just know.
Yeah, but how do you know?
No, because I feel it.
You sure about this?
Of course I'm sure.
Because that's a big deal. I don't want to go off to California. A week later, you're wanting to take back.
I want to take back. I just want you to come to California with me.
Can't go out to California.
Why not?
Because one, I live here, and two, I work here.
Well, look, Will. You don't love me. You just need to tell me.
Not that I don't love you.
Well, what are you afraid of?
What do you mean, what am I afraid of?
What aren't you afraid of? You live in this safe little world where nobody challenges you, and you're scared shitless to do anything else.
My world? What about you? You're slowing it up with me just so you can go back to your rich friends.
What is your obsession with my money? I inherited that money when my father died when I was 13.
At least you have a mother.
Well, fuck you. You think I want this? You don't think that I would give it back in a second if it meant I could have one more day with him? But I can't, and that's my life, and I deal with it. So don't put your shit on me when you're the one that's afraid.
What am I afraid of?
You're afraid of me. You're afraid that I won't love you back. Well, fuck it. At least I'm willing to give it a shot. At least I'm honest with you.
I'm not honest?
No. What about your 12 brothers?
You want to hear about my 12 brothers? About how they're not real? About how I'm an orphan? About how my dad used to put cigarette butts out on me?
I didn't know that.
No, you don't want to hear that shit.
I do, because I want to help you.
What, I got a sign on my back that says save me?
I don't want to save you. I want to be with you. I
No.
love you.
No, you don't want to hear that bullshit.
You know what I want to hear? I want to hear you tell me that you don't love me. Because if you tell me that, then I won't call you. And I won't be in your life.
I don't love you.